Tesla, Inc., formerly Tesla Motors, Inc., is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. The company specializes in electric vehicle manufacturing, battery energy storage from home to grid scale and, through its acquisition of SolarCity, solar panel and solar roof tile manufacturing. Founded in July 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Marc Tarpenning as Tesla Motors, the company's name as tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. The next three employees were Ian Wright, Elon Musk, and J.B. Straubel, all of whom are named as co-founders of the company. Musk, who formerly served as chairman and is the current CEO, said that he envisioned Tesla Motors as technology company and independent automaker, aimed at eventually offering electric cars at prices affordable to the average consumer. In February 2017, Tesla Motors shortened its name to Tesla, Inc. Tesla operates multiple production and assembly plants. Its main vehicle manufacturing facility is at Tesla Factory in Fremont, California. Giga Nevada, Giga New York, and Giga Shanghai are other facilities. Its main products include the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and model cars, and the Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack batteries. It also produces and sells solar panels, solar roof tiles, and some related products. After 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car manufacturer in 2019, both as brand and by Automotive Group, with market share of 17% of the plug-in segment and 23% of the battery electric segment. Tesla global vehicle sales increased 50% from 240 units in 2018 to 849 units in 2019. In 2020, the company surpassed the 1 million mark of electric cars produced. The Model 3 ranks as the world's all-time best-selling plug-in electric car with more than 500,000 delivered. Tesla cars accounted for 81% of the battery electric vehicles sold in the United States in the first half of 2020. From July 2019 to June 2020, Tesla recorded 4 profitable quarters in row for the first time, which made it eligible for inclusion in the S&P 500. On July 1, 2020, Tesla reached market capitalization of $206 billion United States dollars, surpassing Toyota to become the world's most valuable automaker by market capitalization. History. Founded as Tesla Motors, Tesla was incorporated on July 1, 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Marc Tarpenning. The founders were influenced to start the company after GM recalled all its EV1 electric cars in 2003 and then destroyed them, and seeing the higher efficiency of battery electric cars as an opportunity to break the usual correlation between high performance and low mileage. The AC propulsion T0 also inspired the company's first vehicle, the Roadster. Ian Wright was the third employee, joining few months later. The three went looking for venture capital (VC) funding in January 2004, and connected with Elon Musk, who contributed $6 United States dollars, $5 million of the initial Series A, $7 United States dollars, $5 million round of investment in February 2004, and became chairman of the board of directors. Musk then appointed Eberhard as the CEO. J.B. Straubel joined in May 2004 as the fifth employee. Lawsuit settlement agreed to by Eberhard and Tesla in September 2009 allows all five, Eberhard, Tarpenning, Wright, Musk and Straubel, to call themselves co-founders. Musk took an active role within the company and oversaw Roadster product design at detailed level, but was not deeply involved in day-to-day business operations. Eberhard acknowledged that Musk was the person who insisted from the beginning on carbon fiber reinforced polymer body, and that Musk led design of components ranging from the power electronics module to the headlamps and other styling. Musk received the Global Green 2006 Product Design Award for his design of the Tesla Roadster, presented by Mikhail Gorbachev, and he also received the 2007 Index Design Award for his design of the Tesla Roadster. From the beginning, Musk consistently maintained that Tesla's long-term strategic goal was to create affordable mass-market electric vehicles. Tesla's goal was to start with premium sports car aimed at early adopters and then moving into more mainstream vehicles including sedans and affordable compacts. Musk's Series investment round in February 2004 included Compass Technology Partners and SDL Ventures as well as many private investors. In February 2006, Musk led Tesla's Series $13 million investment round, which added Valor Equity Partners to the funding team. Musk called the third $40 million round in May 2006 along with technology partners. Tesla's third round included investment from prominent entrepreneurs including Google co-founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Former eBay president Jeff Skoll, Hyatt Air Nick Pritzker, and added the VC firms Draper Fisher Jurvetson, Capricorn Management, and the Bay Area Equity Fund managed by J.P. Morgan Chase. The fourth round in May 2007 added another $45 million and brought the total investments to over $105 million through private financing. In January 2010, Tesla received $465 million loan from the U.S. Department of Energy, which it repaid in 2013. On June 29, 2010, Tesla Motors launched its initial public offering, IPO, on Nasdaq, the first American car company to do so since the Ford Motor Company had its IPO in 1956. For the year 2019, Tesla posted loss of $862 million on total revenues of $24 $6 billion. On January 10, 2020, Tesla became the most valuable American automaker to ever exist, with market capitalization of $86 billion. On January 29, 2020, Tesla became the world's second most valuable automaker, with market capitalization of $104 billion, passing Volkswagen's $84 billion. On July 1, 2020, Tesla reached market capitalization of $206 billion, surpassing Toyota's $202 billion to become the world's most valuable automaker by market capitalization. On August 12, 2020, Tesla announced 5-for-1 stock split, which will take effect on August 31, 2020. Strategy: Tesla's business strategy is to emulate typical technological, product life cycles and initially target affluent buyers, and then move into larger markets at lower price points. The battery and electric drivetrain technology for each model would be developed and partially paid for through the sales of earlier models. The Roadster was low volume and priced at $109 model, and model target the broader luxury market. Model and the model are aimed at higher volume segment. This business strategy is common in the technology.